Hello. Today I am going to present an online ID with group sharing features and various other features like working directory for various users, login, register, anonymous usage, and auto indentation, etc. Now let's do an anonymous login first. So we get to the ID. Here we can select the various languages and we get a snippet for each of them. For example, this. Now let's write a simple hello world program in the anonymous user. And we get the output as required. Now let's do an custom input program. And we get the output again. But other than this, the anonymous user cannot do anything else like share file, save file, or because he doesn't have an working directory in our ID. Now let's see for the users that are already registered in our ID. So here is an registered user. He gets all the uh, features that the anonymous user has. Apart from that, he can share file, load file, and do save file. Now let's save a file. Same hello world program. We compile and we get the desired output. Now let's save the file as hello underscore world 1. Save. Now after saving, let's load the file. When we load the file, we have to give the extension. So we give the extension because it was written in C++. Now we load file and we get the required file. Now we can share this file with other users, but before I do that, I will make a new user and share his file with other users. Now let's register a new user. You have to type the name, then something XYZ, then let's say XYZ 1234, then enter a password. And it's a successful registration. Now let's log in with that user. Now after we log in with the user, we can again do everything that a user is allowed to do. Then let's say write a simple program. Now after this we compile and it's working, so we save the file as some after saving the file we test the load file again and it's working, so we share the file with another user, let's say Ayush, who doesn't have this file. After we share the file, let's say we log in with Ayush and check if he gets the file. Now let's load the file, and we get the required file that was made. Now let's see. So as we see, there are multiple users that can register, and now let's see other features. As we write the code, you must have noticed that there is auto completion feature already enabled in our IDE. Then there is smart indentation and other features like that. Also, apart from that, what I can't show you is that the code is getting shared with other users real time. That is, whenever you write something, that is shared with the other user instantaneously with whom you have shared the file. Now let's log out. That's all about our ID. Thank you.